once again, most welcome to again my YouTube channel, guys. How are you? And I hope you'll be good and fine now, because today, like many of people asking me, please making about this video, how to complete to be this game major depth. So many of people not to be understand how to be starting this game, how to complete to be this game. So why I asking to you, be carefully completely watching my video, because I will be helping to you, and I give you big tips and tricks, and I give you best strategy how to complete with this game majors depth, because many of people sometimes not to be understand how to complete not this meter depth. So guys, everything so much easily now, not to be have any problem, and I give you best strategy. You will be easily complete to be these games meters. So I hope you will be completely watching my video, because I'm be more helping to you every time every day. So please request to you, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like my videos, so I'm be more happy and love you guys every time be supporting me. So let's start this video. Guys, checking now save the pirates game, I'm be already download now, and I will be explain you how to complete to be this game meter depths. So everything so much easily now, not to be have any problem. So little I wait you. Okay guys, I'm be coming here, and just to be I collect my first of all, and you will be checking on this time I have 31 pairs, and I asking you something this all about. I'm making long video, then you will be easily understand. Now first of all guys, this option so more benefit for you, and I will be clicking on these options. First of all I playing this game, then I will show you. Okay, and I'm sorry because my mobile you will be checking now sometime hanging now, because many of games on this time in my mobile. So my mobile many hang now, but I will be explain you something about this game, and then you will be easily understand now. I will be clicking on these options. So first of all I will be claim on. Okay, starting now you checking now on this time 3 minutes they give me, because this is the more important options, beautiful options, because I will be explain you. So this time I have 31 birds, and they give me double screen. These options like more benefit, like this give me more double screens, because if you using these options, so you will be easily complete to be your game meter there, because some of people not to be telling to you about these options, and I will be explain you. Okay, oh my god, thank you, no problem, but I will explain you. Okay, and before you will be watching X5 ads, checking on this time like be more on screens, and because this is the more important option, because sometime you will be receiving this game rewards like with double coins, sometime not to be receiving your rewards, because this is the interesting game, because many of people not to be telling to you about this game, these options about. But I will be explaining you everything to be easily, you will be understand know how to complete to be this game meter depth, because not of and this is the options X5 you never be skipping because this is the more important for you. And before I will be checking and this time if you have more pets, I will be purchasing 32 pets, because I will be explain you everything about this game, how much you have pets, then you will be easily completed and completely explain to you how to be complete because this is everything so much easily because many of people sometimes not to be understand you how to complete to be this game meter that. But before I will be explain you, just I playing little this game, then I will be show you everything. Okay guys, first of all, X5 ads you will be watching now. Don't skip X5 ads. You will be checking now. This time I have more bits, and because many of people not to be tell to you about this option. So guys, first of all, when you will be have more bits, this option is more to be using because they options give you double coins before when you will be starting this game, and you will be easily complete to be this game meter. This time you will be checking now 32 bits, so maximum I want to be 70 to 60 bits I needed to more, but I will be explain you this time more bits I have 32, but I will be explain you how do I complete to be this game meter that you will be checking now 210 मैंने 210 meters I will be purchase meter depth now. So guys, this is the everything more easily, not to be any hard option, but listen me, if you have more pretty pits, so this mean like you have more earned screen before you will be watching. This is the ads X2, and before option using no X5 option, because X5 option is more important for you. X5 option you will be watching now, then you will be 5 like 5 yeah, I triple like with 5 equal 5, like with 10 coins you will be earning not easily. So guys, this is the everything much easily now, just only using your strategy how to complete to be this game Peter the pits. And I request to you more pits, maximum of 60 to 70 you will be purchasing, then you will be offline earning purchasing now. This time you checking now I have 28 minutes, but I want 180 minutes, because if I have 180 minutes, so if I am not to be playing this game 3 hours, so then I automatically earn coins. So this is the everything options, and options more pits, my pits, so receiving your rewards be also to be here. Okay, so guys, this is the everything so much easily, or not to be any have problem. So I hope you will be enjoy this my video. So guys, these options you will be never skipping now, because these options so more important for you, because many of people sometimes not to be telling to you these options about. If you click on these options and they give you 3 minutes, 2 minutes, 1 minute, so then you will be playing starting this game, and you will be receiving double screen, and before you will be watching X5 ads, so you will be easily earn many coins, because this is the everything easy for you, just only using your brain, and easily to be you will be completing to be this game. And I hope you will be understand what I asking to you about this game, and what I give you strategy, because I want to be give you best strategy you will be easily complete to be this game meter that, because some of people not to be understand how to complete to be this meter that, but I will be give you a right length, so and you will be easily complete to be this game. So I hope you will be enjoy this video, and please request you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay guys, so I be purchasing offline minutes. Thank you lots of